Hey folks, this is Daniel again, Clean Neck Exterior, and today I'm going to be cleaning the this poolside here. It's a lot of concrete, and yeah, let's see how it turns out. I already pre-wet the siding, not the siding, the concrete, and I'm going to be applying the SH, and it's pre-treat, soaking the concrete with water, then SH, then we clean with the surface cleaner, and then we post-treat. That's my process for this. Okay. Okay, so I started cleaning the concrete. Here it is. It's coming really nice. So what? This is a 20-inch. Okay. Wish I had gotten the 18, just so I can work a little bit faster. And I'm only using the 2.3 injector here, so I'm shooting like a what, like 0.8% maybe tops. So it's gonna be as little as lower, and I can use two hands. I mean, I can use one hand and record at the same time. So, well, there's that. Let me keep going.